Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video I want to show you if you were in the chat today, I want to show you what you missed. The opportunities that would have made you some good money if you followed the strategy I explained in my last two videos on this channel. You see, so based on that strategy you can see there was an opportunity right here, but I need to go to the daily time frame as usual. You see on the daily time frame, if you can recall, what we have to mark out is the highs and the lows and the opens and close of the previous day's candlestick. You can see this is the high of the previous day's candlestick, and this is the open of the previous day's candlestick, and this is also the low. This is the low and the close. It did not have any wick, so that is the low and the close of the previous day's candlestick. All right, so in that case we have to, after getting this, I go down to the 15 minutes time frame to look out for opportunities. Then today is actually 4th of April 2024, and using the crosshair tool we can trace where the market started for today. Okay, let's see. Crash 300. Let me see when it started. One moment, guys. All right, so the market started at this point. It started at this point where we have this bullish candlestick here. Market started at that point. Let me get the arrow line too. All right, market started here for the current at this particular point, and it went bullish. You see, it gave this kind of pattern of movement, but on getting to where we have the previous day's high, what did it do? It started retracing and gave this confirmation. Then there's a chance, if you would have seen this, then you enter the market to trade. Even if you target only this particular low here, you make some good profit in the market. You make some good profit in the market. Guys, you need to watch this video today because there's something I want to tell you that might help you to be successful in trading. There's something I want to tell you that might help you to be successful in trading. All right, you can see with just a losses of 1.0, you can make up to how much? $34 with just this simple movement here. Although the market moved below this level and got to this particular point, which would give over $70 in profit, you know. So that was just a single opportunity. Then the next opportunity would have been this one here, where we'll have this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Then you buy to the upside. You buy to the upside. But I do not really support you trading against the trend. If the market is actually bearish, then look for sales opportunities. Only wait for the market to go to a resistance zone, then give it an indication it's going to sell before you want to trade. Yes, that's what I would really want to advise. Then also, so you can see other opportunities here. Each time market comes here, it breaks, and there is no proper confirmation around all this at this point. No real good confirmation around here. Although there was a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here, it sold and targeted this particular level, you see, then went back up and started selling. This is the main place I would want to enter the trade, because each time market breaks through a level, it comes back. I want to see more than just one candlestick at times, like the market was selling, so I would want to see at least two bullish candlesticks to the zone. Then I see a bearish candlestick to confirm the market is going to continue in that direction, like continue selling, like what happened here. Guys, you can see this opportunity here. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, and the market is market sold from this point down to this level. Though if I want to trace to the far left, or maybe go on a higher time frame, you will know why the market reversed at this, started moving correctively at this point. You will understand why the market started moving correctively. This is because it has approached a zone. It has approached where it would possibly reverse. It started giving this kind of movement, guys. So these are opportunities that you can easily get if you study these simple strategies. If you study these simple strategies, you can easily get these opportunities. You enter the market and you trade. All you need to do is, one, you want to wait for a breakout and proper retest. You want to see a breakout. You want to see a breakout and a proper retest and confirmation. Then you enter and sell, guys. This one, even if you enter at this point, let me just check what happened on the 1 hourly time frame. Maybe okay. Let me just zoom out. Okay, so now look at what happened here, guys. With the cross, it only is the arrow line. You can see now this is where the market bought from, and this is where another spike happened on the 1 hourly time frame on this particular pair. So there's a chance to just target this particular area because market has been buying on getting to this area. If you can hold it to this area, this particular point, see where market has been buying from. Let me just put a line there. Let me duplicate this line and put right there. You can see this particular area is where market has been buying from. You understand? But personally, I'm not sure I would want to hold my trade to get to that point. It can get close to there, but it won't be exactly at that point. So if the area is somewhere around here, I would want to take my profit. Let me show you what I would want to do. And let's say I entered the market at this point. Then my take profit would be somewhere around here, around that $58, guys, and that is massive money. This is happening in just one day, guys, just within the same day, guys. Just within the same day, you can get opportunities to make this good money. You know, if you're in Nigeria, you know how much it means. You know what it means to have up to $100. Or even a $20. To have $20 a day in Nigeria, you know what it means. That's over 25,000 naira. So let's go to. I think I saw another opportunity where we'll have another pair. That should be 500. I posted in my Telegram channel. I posted. Now look at another opportunity here, guys. You see, let's trace where we have the beginning of today. Hold on, today is 5th. Okay, see me. Today is actually 5th. I was even okay. Today is 5th. All right, so let me go and see if I had marked it properly. Okay, this been 500. All right, so I already marked the high, the open, and the low and the close of this part of the previous day's candlestick, as you can see. Then if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, we trace where today's candlestick started. We trace where it started. Today's market started at this point, and you can see what the market had been doing. The market has been giving rejections. First, you see all these candlestick patterns here. You see all these candlestick patterns right here that it was giving, indicating that the market is going to sell. So it first of all sold to this particular level here, hit that level, then went back up. So if you are I did not see this opportunity actually, so I did not take this trade. I missed it. So maybe I would have entered my trade maybe on the close of this particular candlestick here or this particular candlestick here, then targeted this particular, maybe after two candlesticks on the 15 minutes time frame, we just close like what happened, because I know there must be a reaction on getting to where we have this black line, like what happened to the market bought to the upside. And you can see it gave another bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Take note, the market is actually bearish on a higher time frame, so it's best to look for selling opportunities. So, and for the fact that the distance here is too small, so I will only look for selling opportunities, hoping that it will break through this zone. Then I continued selling. Now look at this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Let's enter this trade at this point. You can see it even went below this level, then came back to retest with another bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, guys. With another bearish engulfing candlestick pattern at this point, you see it sold massively to the downside. So all we need, what these particular levels I am marking is trying to help you to do, is trying to help to mark out your resistance and support. In fact, these lines we're marking on the open, high, and close, and the low, they are trying to help you in marking out your key levels and resistance and support in the market, so that you won't even stress yourself too much on how to mark out those things. If you can mark out, place these horizontal lines, where I've told you, the open, the close, the high, and the low, or the previous day's candlestick, guys, you'll be automatically marking out your resistances and support, because that is where market has always been acting around. Yes, so you can see after it broke through this particular zone, this line, it came back again with this confirmation. See the massive sales to the downside. massive sells to the downside, guys. So now, how are you going to, what would you do to help you be successful trading this particular strategy, guys? Just draw the lines as I have told you. Once you draw the lines correctly, ensure you confirm the direction of the market. Ensure you confirm the direction of the market. If the market is actually selling on the 4 hourly time frame or even on the 1 hourly time frame, then look for selling opportunities on the 15 minutes time frame. If the market is bullish on those higher time frames, you look for buying opportunities on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame. And once you find an opportunity, it is not a crime or it is not a law that once you enter a trade that you must make $100 in one setup, in one trade entry. You understand? Let's say you had an opportunity to enter this trade at this point. Then let's say you have an account size of, let's say, $20 or $30. You enter a trade here. Let's say lot size. Guys, even if I will stop here at $21 for this particular position at this point, then I close the trade and wait. Maybe I can wait for another opportunity. When another opportunity came up and I noticed this particular structure in the market, I knew the market was going to continue selling because it broke a trend line, a strong zone, and it has come back to retest. With these confirmations, I don't need the candlestick to get back to the black line before we'll enter the trade. I don't need the candlestick to do that because we know them as zones and not actual lines. So I would want to enter the trade. Then if I can get another $20 or even $15 from this trade, although what you get here is far more than that, you can see, you can close and you step out of the market, check another pay. Guys, even if you can pick $20 or $10 per trade, you'll be a rich person. I'm telling you, even if you can pick $10 per trade, at the end of the day, you should be able to make at least $50. Then calculate it by 1 week. You make over $350. Then by 1 month, you make over $1,500. You make about $1,500, and that is so much money here. If you're in Nigeria or other African countries, you know what it means, guys. So all this trying to flip accounts is our problem. If you can just stick to small $10 per day, even if you know the market will go too far, you just try to avoid greed. Pick the little you can. Whenever you do not say set up, do not enter the trade. Whenever you do not say set up, do not enter the trade. Then even on I think I saw an opportunity on was it on volatility 25 index? Let me see. I think I saw an opportunity there. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. Not sure about that. There's a pair I saw an opportunity. Whether it is volatility 50 index. Okay. I marked this particular line. I marked this. I was on this pair earlier today. I think. Let me just go to the. Okay. I marked the open, high, low, and close of the previous day. You can see. Like now. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the low. This is the opening of the current day's candlestick. Let me get this arrowed line too. This is the opening. Market has been dancing around here. Market has been dancing. Then when it broke through this level, you can see the buys to the upside. On getting to this particular sign, I think this must be the week of the previous day's candlestick. On getting to this week, you see it sold back and retested this same level. That's why I'm telling you what these particular lines we are placing is helping us to do. Is helping us to mark out our resistance and support levels. That's what this line is helping us to do, to mark out our resistance and support. You can see what is actually happening. The market came back here, then went back up, broke through this zone, came back and retested this particular trend line that was marked previously. I don't need to go back into explaining how I place this trend line here, but you can see on retest of this trend line, the market is buying massively to the upside. So imagine I was on maybe on the chart at that point to find an opportunity here to enter the market. Guys, you can make some good money with this. Let me just show you something, guys. The minimum lot size for volatility 50 is 4, and then let's say you enter a trade at this point, guys. Let's take our TP up. You can see this is about $8 per position. If you open up to maybe 5 positions, you can easily make $40 with just this simple move. That's what a lot of people do. Flipping of accounts is works best on all these volatility pairs and not boom and crash. If you have up to like maybe $30 on your account, you open this kind of a trade and open 10 positions. then you are, if you enter at a very good entry, this particular trade alone can give you over $80 within a very short time, you know, compared to boom and crash that requires a very large margin. So guys, this strategy really works. All you need to do is to keep on practicing them. You know, you cannot just know it only today or just watching this video today. You know, keep on practicing them. I will include the link to the other parts of this video that I did. I'll include them in the description of this video. So after watching this one, you can go ahead to watch those ones to really understand this strategy very well. What I'm trying to do is just to tell you that this strategy is working, and if you can stick to it, if you can stick to this strategy, you will be profitable. You will be profitable, guys. So guys, I do not want to make this video too long, although it's already long. Just like this video as usual, please. I want to just click on the like button and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Some of you do not turn on your notification bell. Just turn on the notification bell here, and so that you can be notified each time I drop any useful video like this, guys. Please, and share your comments in the share your thoughts in the comment section, and then keep on sticking with us so that we can grow. All right, guys. So till my next video, stay blessed. Peace out.